Hey, Dustin Tibbetts here, financial advisor with Jazz Wealth Managers. How you doing today? Hope all is good with you. I'm going to get right to the point. Inflation is causing people to save less or invest less. I can see it. We have the data. I shared it on the closing beat, right? It's all there. But a lot of people say, well, this inflation is causing me to want to not participate in the stock market as much because you got to buy stuff. I get it. You got to spend more money on things that cost more. But is that a big mistake? I want to show you why that's a big mistake. And, you know, even if you just do that, this is not like marketing or anything. I just want to show it because it's starting to kill me how people are like, I'm not going to save more. Ready? Check it out. When inflation hits a peak, the stock market is headed lower or lower already, right? So therefore, that's your buying opportunity. For example, we have inflation presumably hitting a peak. I don't know for sure, but it seems that way. So inflation hitting a peak. Where's the stock market? It's in orange down here at the bottom. See it? We've already pulled back. So if inflation is high and you say, I'm going to scale back, that's more of a problem of your finances. You don't have an emergency fund. You don't have a way to account for things costing more. You have maybe overextended yourself a little bit. So we want to address that first so that when inflation peaks and the market heads lower, you can make an opportunity of it, right? Here's the last example of where inflation hit a peak. It actually hit a record high for this point in time, right? So inflation's high. If you said, oh my gosh, I got to pay for stuff, I can't handle this. Look at the market down below. Look a little bit in the orange there. It was already trending lower. You took away dollars at the moment you could have been getting a discount. That's like saying I go to the store, but everything's on sale. I'm going to go buy the other stuff, right? I don't want to deal with that. I want to buy the stuff that costs more money just because. No, don't do that. So inflation going higher hits your pocket. I get it. It costs us more. It's just ridiculous, really. But you can't back away from investing. You want to be the guy or the girl that says, there's a reason the market has fallen. And maybe it's because of inflation. Great, I want to use that as my opportunity. I can't do that if I've got my dough messed up over here and I need to put extra money aside and it turns out I didn't have any savings. Get your dough straight, right? Invest when you know you can handle these things and make the most of it. Really, that's all I wanted to say today. So that's all I got. If that was quick, short, and exciting to you, hit the subscribe button, the like button, all that good stuff. And yeah, we'll see you later on the closing beat. See you.